Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for a credit card with US Bank, online application guide step by step clearly. To begin your application for a credit card with US Bank, visit their official website. On the home page, locate the credit card section in the main menu. Click on this section to explore the various credit card options available. Select the card that best meets your needs and click on it for more details. Review the card's features, benefits, and terms to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Once you're ready to apply, look for the Apply Now button and click on it. You will be redirected to the online application form. Start by filling out your personal information, including your full name and contact details. Next, provide your social security number for identification purposes. Enter your date of birth and residential address. Make sure to include your employment information, such as your employer's name and your annual income. Review the financial information section thoroughly to ensure that all details are accurate. If you have existing bank accounts or credit accounts with US Bank, you may be prompted to provide that information as well. After completing all fields, carefully review your application for any errors or omissions. Once confirmed, submit your application by clicking the designated button. You will receive a confirmation message that your application has been received. Depending on the application volume, you may receive your approval status immediately or within a few business days. If approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail along with further instructions. If you encounter any issues during the application process, you can contact us bank customer service for assistance. Follow these steps accurately to successfully apply for your US Bank credit card online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.